Hi everyone, I'm Beth from Twinkl and today I'm going to be giving you a little introduction to Maths Mastery. Maths Mastery is an approach to teaching maths which is less about rote learning and memorisation and more about taking the time to help children really deeply understand mathematical concepts. So for example, with something like rote learning, you could learn the mathematical fact that 2 times 4 equals 8. But it's better for your maths fluency if you understand why 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 groups of 4 things make 8 together. That deeper understanding of mathematical concepts is going to help children with their problem solving skills, develop their maths fluency, and it's going to help them be much more independent and more confident when it comes to maths. So why don't we have a look at some of Twinkl's activities that teach maths with a focus on a mastery approach.
This activity is designed to help children develop their understanding of counting in 2s, 5s and 10s. This asks children to find out how many of each item there are in the shop. Let children see if they can find the best approach to this. Many will jump straight into counting each individual item. Question if this is the best approach. Can children tell you what the downsides are? It's going to take a really long time and it's hard to see some of the items in the picture because they're behind other things. One pallet has 10 tins of paint in it. This is one group of 10. How many other groups of 10 can the children see? How else could they express 6 groups of 10? Does this help them find their answer? This activity is about helping children to understand that numbers can be represented in lots of different ways. If children are struggling with this idea initially, I find it can help to do this activity. Put a number in the middle of a large piece of paper. How many different ways can children find to express that number? Emphasise to children that even though all of these ways of expressing a number look very different, they all mean the same thing. Then you can move on to the worksheet. Can children complete the less than, more than and equal to statements? You could extend this learning by asking different questions. If this amount was 5 more, would the statement still be true? If this amount was 10 less, would the statement still be true? Finally, this activity is about helping children gain a full and fluent understanding of fractions. The first question tackles the misconception that cutting in half simply means cutting into 2. Before children answer, you could have a go at cutting some real fruit in half. Make sure an adult uses a knife and children watch. Then you could ask, how do we know that our fruit is in half? Has the child in the question always cut their fruit in half? With the next question, children can work backwards. They begin with the half. You could get children to draw the whole sandwich on a squared piece of paper. The final question is a statement. Ask children if they agree or disagree. Can they explain why? Can they prove or disprove the statement themselves? Give children several cutouts of the pizza. How many different ways can they find to cut it in half? Are they sure their ways are all correct? That's it for now. We hope you found this video useful and enjoy mastering maths. We'll see you next time.